To calculate the probability of getting a 2, you have to ask yourself, how can I find a sum of 2? Well, I could take the 1 and add it to 1. So I have to say the probability of 1 times the probability of 1. So the probability of getting a 1 is 1/6, where the probability of getting a 1 is 1/6. So I'm going to multiply 1/6 times 1/6 to get the values there. Now to get a sum of 3, you could do 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. One of the tricks now to get a sum of 4 is I can copy this down and I can paste this here. But to get a 4, I would need to add up a 1 plus a 3. So I need to change that to a 3, but it's still 1/6 times 1/6 is going to give me 1/36. Another way I can get a sum of 4 is to do 2 and 2. So now to get the sum to be 4, I can also do the probability of a 2 times the probability of 2, which still is 1/6 times 1/6, which is 1/36. Or I could do a 3 and then a 1. Altogether, I would get all these 1/36, which ultimately adds, if I add those cells up, it's 1/36 plus 1/36 plus 1/36, which is 3/36s, and when it reduces down to 1/12. To color code the sums, you click on each one of the matching rows, and you can choose a color from the paint thing, and you can shade it. Have your color that is up in the problem match the color down here, and have those be the same colors so that your chart matches your calculation and it looks neat. The money signs are, to get the value of a 2, you would do a 1 plus a 1. Well, mathematically, that is B22 plus A23. Well, the trick is, if I'm in front of the B, I put a $sign, and in front of 22, I put a $sign. It's going to make this cell be fixed in the equation. So when I copy it down, it's always going to refer back up to that cell. So I change that data, and you can copy and paste it down. And if you notice, each formula is always going to refer up to the B22 in each one of this. Likewise, when you do this one, you're going to have done equal 2 plus 1, but you go into this formula and it's the same thing. In the first one, you want to put a $sign in front of the C and a $sign in front of the 22.